Well, the way that this thing is lining up, I'm gonna have to cut off that perch right there and then grind it smooth so I can get the spring perch, the new one for the coilovers, and the link bar. It has got to fit right there. So sadly, I don't have a choice. So I'm going to try to do it with a plasma cutter. I think I can get it done without any cuts on the tube. If it does, I'll just weld it back in. But anyways, that's what I'm looking at. You can see the angle I've had to put this rear end at. I'm trying to avoid pulling it out from under here. The way I have it set up on my jack stands, it's pretty close to where I need it. Anyways, later. All right, that was successful. You can see I got them off of there, the spring perches for the leaf springs that were for this rear end. Now I just have to grind out the weld. I don't want to cut any further so I don't gouge the tube, but it looks pretty good on both sides. No, it's a little high, but for the cut, but I think it should be all right with the grinding wheel. Anyways, that's where it's at. All right, I got them grinded down. That wasn't too bad, but and kind of what you're seeing, I don't know, right there, that's just from their weld penetration into the pipe. But that should be, it feels pretty flush, and it should be enough for the 4-link coilover bracket to be able to weld onto there. So cool.